Good morning, guys. This is a video for the 17th of June, 2020. And yesterday was, as Ming just said off camera, a bit of a nothing day. Though I do see you're wearing a red shirt, so it must mean that it was a little bit of a red day as well. I'm in the same boat, I think. So let's take a really quick look at SPY, and I'll share my screen and show you what happened yesterday.
Yesterday is Theta Gang Day.
Okay, we're looking at a 15-minute chart of SPY, which is the ETF for the S&P 500. And you can see that yesterday it actually opened a little bit green here and around 314, and it dropped during the day down to around 311. To put that into context, yesterday it closed right around 312. So almost nothing happened today between the start of day and the end of day, or I should say the close of yesterday and the close of today, except that we lost time. And when we lose time like this, it means that our options typically also lose value. So I think that I've actually lost quite a bit of value yesterday, and I think I'm around $2,600 from around 3,000 yesterday. Let's take a look at my portfolio and see what my net worth is. Oh man, here we go.
Oh, what?
That is so brutal. Why though?
How does that happen?
I'm also really curious why. I think it mostly must be this. I've lost a huge amount in these near-term SPY calls for 617. Wow. But actually, I'm very, very heavily on the call side right now. I only have one put, and even that I lost money on yesterday because it's so far out.
Theta getting crushed by Theta.
Yeah.
Well, IV crush.
Yes. So yeah, exactly. IV crush. And you can see all of my calls lost money. Most of them at least 20%, but some of them really very heavily lost. I did make one move yesterday, and that was kind of an okay move. I think I put in a limit order to buy, and I think it's this call. Let me just take a look at this. Yeah, so I put in a limit order to buy this call at 240, and you can see finally at the end of the day, it was purchased. It ended up the day being worth 236. So my hope is that either on Friday or on Monday, we have a big spike upwards in terms of share price and SPY, which would mean I would get some outsized returns. Otherwise, I'm going to get really screwed here. But it does make me think, if we take a look at the daily SPY, it does make me think that it's possible for us to jump back up. And my target is around the 317 area. I think it's going to come back up to retest this. When that happens, I am ready to sell a whole bunch of my calls when it hits the 317 mark. That is my hope, my focus. And as you can see, I positioned my portfolio to bet on this 317 mark right here, and that it would happen by tomorrow. I really hope we get a big spike up tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Otherwise, those SPY calls I have are going to end up worth nothing. All right, that's it for me. Over to see your portfolio. Let's see how that goes.
Thank you very much for that wonderful summary. Now I'll take my turn. I have no joy in sharing my portfolio today. I'm very bleh right now. I'll take a sizable loss. I don't think I'm definitely back down into the nines. I don't think I will have gone below 9. I really hope not. But anything's possible. Let's just look at this real quick before. So vast majority of my holdings are in SPY and Facebook. And here you can see Facebook went down a little bit. SPY went down a little bit. So yeah, not fun. I'm going to guess just over 9. Let's say 9.2, 9.3. Wow, I'm getting damn good.
Very,
I'm getting really good at predicting what I'm at, huh?
you're like exactly right. Yeah, it's amazing.
10-7-9-1-9-2. Um, yeah, so nothing much to see. Look, SPY does dividends. I didn't realize they gave dividends.
They do. Basically, because they're an ETF, anything they hold that pays them dividends, they also give the dividends straight to the stockholder.
Looks like I had, yeah, very little to offset the shit that happened yesterday. The only thing I'll report is that I went on a bit of a fire sale yesterday.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, man. I mean, like I talked about this like June 19th. It's creeping up on me. I'm just gonna get rid of everything. So I
Yeah.
sold everything on June 19th. Uh, and definitely none
Yeah.
of them. I didn't make. I lost money on all of them. But you know, I think that's what you learn after a while, getting burned with diamond hands. Is that just get rid of them.
Well,
So,
yeah, very nicely done getting rid of these early in the morning because that's when the market was worth the most. So you could have lost an additional 20%, 30% on these by holding them.
oh, because
So
it
you
dipped, right?
very well.
It dipped a little bit. Let's see. If you just look overall, SPY. Well, yeah, it was up a little bit, right, in the morning, and then it dipped and up, and then further dipped down below.
Yeah. I guess it did climb up during the day, but you never would have known that. You sold at a good price as far as like opening and closing yesterday. So
Yeah,
not bad.
thank you. So, yeah, I've so I'm sitting on 1.74K cash right now. Hungry to spend it somewhere, but right now, yeah, nothing much. That's about it. Bleh day. On these bleh days, I guess you don't you just want cash. Yeah, that's it from me. Today's gonna be one of the more boring days, but
Hey, we have those days as well. That's okay.
yeah. Cool. That's it from me. Thank you very much for watching. When you play with options, you can either make a lot, lose a lot, and lose a lot 2 times. You can lose a lot. No, you can make a lot if things go the way you want it to go. You can lose a lot if they don't, and you can lose when nothing happens to. So it's tricky. Odds are stacked against you, but that doesn't phase us. Oh, yeah. If you like what you saw, please remember to like this video, comment in the comment section, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Bye.